said, there's a smoke detector, we're gonna have a lot of false alarms.
So
And he
can
said,
go
no, they're
inspect.
supervisory. So what's gonna happen, there needs to be some coordination between the nurse station and the plant, because they're gonna have to, every time they
So
go.
let's say this goes off.
Yeah, that's gonna go to the
So
nurse
so
station.
that's
I guess
gonna
what,
report to the
the enunciator,
That goes off.
and this is going to report to the enunciator downstairs.
So
It's going to report
we
to
can rely
the nurse stations.
Is the plant gonna be responsible for
So this will go
following
off.
the nurse
This
saying, hey,
dome
what's
light
up,
will
or it's gonna
activate.
go the other
Yeah,
way?
so that'll be the signal that
If
this
that
room
signal
right here
is
should be
down,
flashing
yes.
red.
And then the nurses will see it show up at the,
They're gonna have to say,
panel
hey,
on the floor.
our guy was
Okay.
vaping in here.
and will the plant see it as well?
They'll see the supervisory signal on the fire alarm side.
It's gonna pop right in their face.
Yeah,
They're gonna have to respond right away.
So at the nurse station, they'll see it on both too. They'll see it on the nurse call and the fire enunciator at a nurse station because it shows both functions on.
And where's that connection between the nurse call and this?
So on this floor, it's gonna be out in the corridor, on
Okay.
the wall above the grid, there's
Uh-huh.
a relay box. in
There's a
there.
relay box.
So from there, it ties into the nurse call, and pretty sure it ties in directly to the dome light.
And whenever it has a fault, is it gonna give us a supervisory as well?
What do you mean, faults?
Like if there's a problem with that connection between the two?
No, it's not all.
We're just gonna see it because this one alarms for the supervisory.
So
but
it'll
this one
report
doesn't.
on it'll report on the nurse call, because that's normally closed. So if something happens, that wire got disconnected, it's gonna send a signal, it's gonna activate the dome light
Okay.
on it.
Okay, so
So
let's
that's,
say,
HTM's gonna have to probably own that one.
yeah, so let's say
piece.
this goes off due to steam or whatever. Nurse comes over, okay, false alarm. How do they clear that?
So they're gonna have to reset it from the fire panel.
From on their floor?
They can, any panel, so they could call central plant, be like, hey, we get a reset on that, they can reset it from their enunciator panel, from the panel on third floor, from the panel on first floor, any panel, you'd be able to reset it from.
Okay.
And that's what I mean when I said earlier, when we were in the conference room, whatever your guys' protocol is for an activation scenario. Do you send a team or do you send somebody to go verify it? Do you know, how do you guys go about that? That's
Internal.
internal.